All right, I got all my apples ready. Now I've got to peel them and chop them in little chunks and put them in my pot and get them ready to cook. All right, this is what I use for the shells because to be honest, it's a lot easier than making your own. Pull them out before you start doing your apples so that they thaw. Let them thaw out fully. Okay, now you have to just start boiling your apples on the stove on a medium heat, stirring them and adding your spices. Okay, this is what I use. I use brown sugar, cinnamon, let's put it the right way, cinnamon ground, allspice, pumpkin pie spice, lemon juice, and vanilla extract. What we're gonna do, here, put her over. My son's helping me here. Over the thing, yep. Pour it in, one more. Pour it in. Okay, yep, there you go. You're done with that. Here, next thing. Two of those. That's supposed to be 2 spoonfuls, but you know, 2 of those. Thanks for listening. And spoonful of allspice. Over the thing, please. Over the thing, please. You're not listening. Here, put it over here. Okay, there. That's enough. Now we need the pumpkin pie spice. Hold it over. Pour it in. Okay. Hold it up. 2 teaspoons or tablespoons of lemon juice. 1, 2, and roughly half a cup of brown sugar. There's 1 bag there. Hold on here. Here, shake this out. A little bit more. Here, watch out. A little bit more. Move, please. There we go. Okay, that's all you do. Now turn it on. Turn it down. And just keep stirring it consistently until it all goes soft. It smells so good. It's like hot and steamy. Erotic music. All right, it's just about done boiling here. It's all nice and soft and stuff. And you're gonna have to have a spoon that you can ladle it out to put it in the pie crust. I'm gonna show you why. So, turn the stove off. Watch this. Ladle. Try to get as much juice out as you can because you're gonna use that juice in a second. Ladle. Oh, sorry for the steam, folks. Ladle. Ladle out as much of the juice as you can. See how it's going in the pie there? Put the rest in. You can do 2 pies with these pie crusts, but that's not what I do. I'm going to use the top of the pie crust, the bottom of the other pie, as a top of the pie crust. There, we've almost got it out. Get every little bit of apple out. And then I will show you just what I'm going to do with the rest of the juice. Alrighty. Every piece of apple. Okay, just flatten her all out. Do it the best you can. Push her down so it's nice and compact, so when you cut it, It's a lot easier to cut. It comes out of the pan a lot easier. Now watch this. Take your other pie bottom and put it on top of your pie. All right. Then what you want to do is take yourself a fork and just go around the whole outside of the pie with your fork and press it down just like this all the way around it. Okay, just like that. Then what you want to do, get yourself a brush. Remember that sauce, that nice caramel sauce. Quickly put your oven on. It says 400. Put it up to 400. Okay, boom. Now you're gonna take this caramel sauce and you're gonna pour a little bit on top. Then you're gonna brush it all around. Totally coat the top of the pie with your sauce. Total providence. Okay, just keep going like this. Okay, there we go. See the top of it there? Boom goes the dynamite. Now put it on a baking sheet so nothing spills over and put it in the oven. It takes anywhere from 9 to 15 minutes to cook this. I do not wait until my oven's fully preheated. I wait till it gets to about 250. Then I put it in and then I start the timer, and it's usually about 11 minutes. All right, the timer's going off. And shut the timer off. There it is, there it is, there it is. You gotta check and see if it's crispy. Well, I'm gonna put it in for a couple more minutes, crisp it up a little bit more. All right, so just stay tuned. All right, let's check it again. It's been a minute. Oh my God, it smells amazing. I'd say it's almost done. One more minute. All right, it's been another minute. I'm gonna pull it out. It is ready. It is ready. Smells absolutely amazing. It's been in there for about 13, 14 minutes. The top is like still moist because of the liquid that's on the top, so you don't get this hard, crunchy, like the outsides are a little bit crispy, but like you don't get that hard, crunchy pie crust that's not really edible. Just leave it, let it cool. You can cover it up if you want, let it like fully cook, but the apple's already cooked and everything, and you're good to go. So there you go, Ashley. There's the pie recipe.